When you use your AirPods Pro with your Nintendo Switch Lite, you can enjoy wireless audio while gaming, no wires needed. This quick guide will show you how to connect them. So let's begin. First of all, on your Switch, open the system settings from the home menu. Scroll down to Bluetooth audio. Now tap pair device. Here comes the part where you get your AirPods at hand. Open the lid of your AirPods Pro case and press and hold the back button until the front light flashes white. If your AirPods have a touch response, then just double tap below the light indicator of your charging case. The light will flash white and initiate pairing mode. Now, on your Switch, your AirPods Pro should show up on screen. Select them and connect. If the connection works, you'll immediately hear audio through your AirPods Pro. That's it, you're all set. Your AirPods Pro should now be connected to your Nintendo Switch without any hassle. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tips and fixes. See you in the next one.